Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to open the settings and then let's scroll in order to find the app management. Now let's tap on app list and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and as you can see here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for, of course, among others, disabled apps and background data restrictions for apps and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your TECNO device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.